Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Lou, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing this Wiggins style, but this time I am going to be trying to do the Legos hairline. I know you guys have seen the Legos hairline going around, so I really wanted to attempt trying to do that hairline. If you guys are interested on how I installed this unit to attempt it, then keep on watching this video. a little bit, even though the lace looks really good, but I'm gonna tint it just for a little extra precaution. Make sure it's that color will show through, so I'm gonna go ahead and use a very old lace tint to tint it. Alright you guys, so this is the final look of the install, and you guys, I am really obsessed because especially lately I haven't been really liking like baby hairs lately. I've been liking it very simple and everything. So this Legos hairline of how I did it, not saying that it turned out the bestest, but because this was my first time, I need any type of baby hairs because of how good, like, you know, it is. Of course, this style does require a lot of plucking and everything, and a good lace. That's one thing I would have to say about this company is Wiggins. They always have very good HD lace. You know how some companies will be like, oh, it's HD, but it's really transparent. I've worked with a numerous amount of wig companies to know what's HD and what's transparent, and then they always make sure that they do have very good quality lace. And I'm always excited to get their unit because I know that their lace really do hit. And this wig did come pre-plug, pre-bleach and everything, but like I said, I did try to attempt to do the Legos hairline, so I did have to go in and, you know, plug certain ways and do different techniques and stuff like that. But if you're not interested in doing that, then you definitely don't have to. You can skip that step and just go straight into the install, which honestly is pretty simple. Yeah, but if you guys do want like a more in-depth tutorial of how I did the plucking for this attempted like Legos hairline, hairline, then let me know in the comments down below, and I will definitely try to, you know, do a more in-depth video of me plucking to get this hairline. If you guys are interested, let me know. It was pretty easy to install, but again, that does have a lot to do with you having a good lace. So props to them. But all the information about this unit will be linked in the description bar down below if you guys are interested in this very cute full unit. Everything will be linked down below, and there might be a discount code for you guys, so go ahead and check that out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like the Legos hairline. Do you like the Legos hairline? Do you not like it? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. I should have came from the